Say these words and people will stop hearing someone learning English, but they will start hearing someone who can think in English. If you are someone who thinks that he or she is good enough in English but not quite impressive, then this video is for you. The truth is, confidence is not about big grammar rules. It's about word choices. Native speakers judge your fluency in English in the first 10 seconds that you speak. So today, let's learn those words. 10 swaps, and yes, you will do that magic. So today, we will do something very magical. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sushmita, your favorite educator. Common words will be now the upgraded ones. Use one of these tomorrow and watch the reaction of others. Let's begin. The first word is utilize. Now, instead of utilize, we actually use the word use. Okay, let's first learn the dictionary meaning of the word utilize. It means to use something effectively or for a specific purpose. I repeat, the dictionary meaning of the word utilize is to use something effectively or for a specific purpose. Let me put it in simple words. इसका मतलब सिंपल है कि आप किसी चीज को यूज कर रहे हैं, पर जब आप यूज वर्ड की जगह यूटिलाइज को यूज करते हैं, इट शोज दैट यू आर यूजिंग समथिंग वेरी स्मार्टली, नॉट जस्ट पिकिंग इट अप बट गेटिंग रियल वैल्यू आउट ऑफ इट. आप उससे कुछ रियल वैल्यू अपने जीवन में, अपने लाइफ में, अपने काम में ऐड कर रहे हैं. If I use it in a sentence, we need to utilize time very effectively this quarter. So when I am using the word utilize, it is it sounds very strategic and not very casual. So next time, please don't use the word use. Instead, use the word utilize. The second word for today is facilitate. Facilitate. The dictionary meaning of this word is to make a process easier. In simple words, it basically means किसी काम को करने में जो आप हेल्प कर रहे हो, जिससे वो काम बेहतर हो रहा है. Think of it as a help, but for systems and things, and not just people. You don't facilitate someone carrying a bag. Okay? वहां पर आपको help word ही use करना है. So you help someone carry a bag. You don't facilitate someone carrying a bag. Okay? But you facilitate a system. Like you facilitate a meeting or you facilitate a discussion. Example sentence: this app facilitates communication between the teams. Okay, see how polished it sounds. Most importantly, it sounds very capable. It's very common in business and professional setting. So next time, definitely use this word in a business setup. Let's move to the word number 3. Word is meticulous. Meticulous. It's one of my favorite words. Meticulous. The dictionary meaning of this word is showing great attention to details. यानी आप details, हर छोटी 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 बातों पर आप बहुत ध्यान दे रहे हैं. So instead of using the word careful, we should use the word meticulous. अगर हम simple शब्दों में इस word को समझने की कोशिश करें, it basically means it's careful, like up to 100. आप इतने careful हैं कि कोई भी टाइनी डिटेल स्लिप्स पास्ट यू, यानी आप किसी भी छोटी से छोटी डिटेल को भी आप मिस नहीं कर रहे हैं. दैट इज meticulous. She is meticulous about checking every email before sending it. For example, अगर आप किसी बिजनेस मीटिंग में जा रहे हैं, आप कोई प्रेजेंटेशन दे रहे हैं, आपको कोई फाइल सबमिट करनी है, आपने उस फाइल को या उस ईमेल को या उस प्रेजेंटेशन को बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से चेक किया है, बहुत ही केयरफुल तरीके से चेक किया है, सो दैट नो मिस्टेक, आप किसी भी मिस्टेक को नजरअंदाज नहीं कर रहे हैं, आप इतने केयरफुल हैं, विच मीन्स आप इतने मेटिकुलस हैं. Why this word meticulous works? Because it paints a picture of precision and not just any effort, right? So let's now move on to the word number 4. The word is candid. Candid just simply means being honest, right? So instead of using the word honest, use candid. Now, what is the dictionary meaning of this word? It means being truthful and direct without holding back. In simple words, it's honest, but it comes with a warning. जैसे आप किसी को कुछ कहने जा रहे हैं बहुत ही ऑनेस्टी के साथ, पर उसमें एक वार्निंग भी छुपी है कि इट माइट नॉट बी दैट कंफर्टेबल फॉर यू, बट यू आर एक्चुअली टेलिंग द ट्रूथ. आप बड़ी ही ऑनेस्टी के साथ उस बात को रख रहे हैं. इसके साथ ये भी एक अनसेड वार्निंग है कि हो सकता है कि वो बात आपको बहुत ज्यादा, सामने वाले इंसान को बहुत ज्यादा अच्छी ना भी लगे. Let me give you an example. Ria gave me a candid opinion about my presentation, which means she was being honest. So along with whatever went right in the presentation, she also told me things which could have been better, right? Such a beautiful word. It sounds mature, it sounds trustworthy, and it's great for real conversations. Let's move on to the next word. Eloquent instead of using the word well spoken. The dictionary meaning of this word is fluent and persuasive in speaking or writing. See, in simple word, it is not just about speaking. It is about speaking in a way that actually moves people. Every word is chosen well. So सिर्फ किसी के बारे में ये नहीं है कि वो बहुत वेल स्पोकन इंसान है. इट मीन्स कि हर शब्द दैट द पर्सन इज यूजिंग इज वेल चोजन. बहुत अच्छे वर्ड्स का इस्तेमाल करके द पर्सन हैज बीन स्पीकिंग, राइट? लेट मी यूज इट इन अ सेंटेंस. Oh, that was an eloquent explanation. I understood it immediately. So it's like a compliment word that also describes your speaking style when you use this word. See how magical. Now let's move on to the next word. Resilient. I think that's one of my favorite words. It actually describes my personality. You can write one word in the comment box that describes your personality. Let's come back to this. So instead of saying strong or somebody who is tough, you can use the word resilient. The dictionary meaning of this word is able to recover quickly from difficulty. So in simple words अगर हम use करें या मैं आपको समझाऊं तो इसका मतलब होता है कि it's not about getting hurt or knocked down और या फिर जिंदगी में डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशंस ना फेस करना. इट इज अबाउट फेसिंग इट एंड देन रिकवरिंग फ्रॉम इट वेरी फास्ट. आप बहुत जल्दी उन सिचुएशंस को फेस करके यू आर एबल टू रिकवर. इट्स अबाउट हाउ फास्ट यू बाउंस बैक. द टीम स्टेड resilient even after losing the client. See, it shows emotional intelligence as well and not just someone's physical strength. Amazing word it is. The next word is pragmatic. So instead of using the word practical, use the word pragmatic. The dictionary meaning of this word is dealing with things realistically based on practical outcomes. In simple words, it means let's not overthink this. So this is less about ideas and more about results. Let me put it in a sentence for you. Let's take a pragmatic approach and solve this problem step by step. It signals level-headed thinking, and let me tell you, it's a favorite word in leadership context. Managers' pragmatic thinking helped the team to make better decisions. See, such a perfect word to show level-headed thinking. Let's move on to the next word. The word is profound. So instead of using the word deep or important, use this word profound. The dictionary meaning of this word is something which is very great or intense, showing deep understanding. In simple words, this word is used for something that not only affects you but also changes you. This is bigger than something which is important. Something like life changing. Let me use it in a sentence. That book had a profound impact on how I see success. See how it elevates a simple statement into something very thoughtful. So next time definitely use this word. Let's move on to the next word for today. Next word is articulate. Instead of using the word clear, you can use this word. See, it can be used in the form of a verb and also an adjective. So when we use it in the form of a verb, it means to express thoughts clearly, and also in the form of adjective, like able to speak fluently and clearly. अगर मैं इसे simple words में कहूँ, it simply means putting your thoughts into exact words that you want to say. No here and there. Simply putting what you want to say very clearly. Just clean, clear expressions. Being articulate can improve your confidence in interviews. So yes, you have to learn, or you have to be an articulate so that you can express your thoughts very clearly. So now let's move on to the last word for today. The word is nuance. Instead of saying small difference, use the word nuance. The dictionary meaning of this word is a subtle distinction in meaning, tone, or opinion. In simple words, it is about those tiny details that most people miss. The difference that seem very tiny but actually changes everything. This signals sophisticated and layered thinking. Let me put it in a sentence so that you understand it better. The teacher explained the nuance between the words say and tell. जैसे आपको ये दोनों word same लगते हैं, but there is a subtle difference. Do find it out and see. You will understand exactly what is the meaning of the word nuance and how you can use it in your sentences. So 10 words, 0 extra grammar, just smarter choices. Just pick one of these words. Use it in your conversation, or the email that you're writing, or the essay that you're writing, or any communication that you're making, and see, that's how it becomes natural and not memorized. If this video helped you, please hit the subscribe button and definitely comment to let me know which word will you be using first. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep thriving, and keep learning. Thank you so much.